Good morning and welcome to another live trading session, as well as a day in the life of what a part-time trader looks like to a full-time millionaire soon. Right now we're just trading. Definitely going to trade some Nvidia today. As you can see, guys, something that we talked about I don't even know if I added it in yesterday's video, but something that I've been talking about in the Discord is Nvidia to break this small short-term downtrend, and we're climbing to break it today. We're attempting to break it today, so I most likely will be entering. Entered that put when it was way up here at the very top or the middle of the trend, and now currently we are falling slowly. So hopefully that one pays out. We didn't really trade anything at all other than that, so we're about to just head to work. Just arrived, so now we're about to clock in and let's get to work. Little snack we're looking at for today, gang. Dang, I'm gonna lie, I need to clean my computer screen. I did clean my screen. My screen's clean. What is that guy doing? Another one to take off. I'm gonna take this apart, as well as this one too. Yes, sir! We're about to come get our haircut because your boy needed transformation. Now we fresh as fuck with the freshest cut from our boy DJ Triple X from Madrid Cuts.
Daily life blogging with the boy J.
Oh, that's so nice. Just got home, long day, but we still gonna get to work. Let's go. So tomorrow's Friday, and I have no trade plans planned out for tomorrow. I will just be playing small, quick in and out scalp trades, as well as we have a lot of federal government news, economic news tomorrow. We have at 6 a.m., 30 minutes before the market even opens, we have Fed Bowman speaking, as well as at 7 a.m. consumer sentiment, and 10 to 10:30 with a couple more speakers, as well as at 11 a.m. we have the federal budget. So there's a lot of news tomorrow, guys. You really have to be careful if you do plan on trading. It might be a low volume day. There might be nobody there to buy or sell any stocks, dried up market. So just be careful if you do plan on trading. And if you are in any trades, just plan to be in it for a quick second, in and out. Don't hold any longer than 30 minutes. I'll catch you guys on the next one.